Sa bahay, mamay, po, bisa ko sa work. Papay, po, napunta na ako sa office. Late na ako. Ugi, kayo ha? Hindi niya ako love. Kayo work. Busy lang kayo sa work. Kahit kung pa naman lahat. Kahit kung kumanda. I'm so appreciative and nasa work.
Baligin mo, Mami. Kaya niya na.
And now we see a light to me, a startling, amazing dream. I got really now. Everybody find somehow. Here I am, hurry I want, hurry I got. Nowhere down now. Here I go, hurry will be strong. I have the dog again. Gusto niyo ba? When there's no getting over that rainbow, when my soul has a dreams won't come and true, I can see good madness the world has to give, but I won't let it be without you. Kaya ko sumayaw. Kaya ko umiyak. Inay! It's hard to be a child. It's hard to be a child. I want to do this. As mama, I want to do this. As papa, I want to do it. Oh, I can do it. Oh no, I am just a child. Oh no, I am just a child. Oh no, I am just a child. I am just a child. Dream na pala yun. More kakain na. Po, nanay si love ako ni mama at papa for my health, mind, and welfare. The best. Ako si Maria Cornel Bandao Ramirez, ang inyong friend Tester.
Yay! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.